Alrighty, I made it out to the spot at 7:15. Got a new fly rod and reel last week. I broke my other one. Be careful with your fishing gear, guys. A little mistake on my part led to me getting to spend a couple more $100, but I've had my eye on a new rod and reel. I went with the Redington Tropical Kit. Almost $400 thanks to Old Florida Outfitters for the hookup and Bradley over there. He was really helpful. He got me loaded up with some flies, took me out afterwards behind the shop, and we shot the shit for a little bit, and he gave me some casting lessons. Like I said, I've only been doing this about a year. So yeah, here we go. First cast of a new setup. Need to get some of that leader out. Nice and slow. Oh man, this, I can already tell a major difference in casting. It's going to take a while to get this line kind of broken in, and yeah, Maddie's out. Her school went out deep sea fishing today. They were going 13 miles out today. Triggerfish, snapper, all that. So I'm excited about this afternoon. Maybe I'll have a fish tail or two, and I'm sure she will. I thought there was some. There we go. Nice and foggy out. It's in the 70s. It's super humid this morning though. I'm sweating. A little wobbly there. Hoping this fog burns off here in the next little bit. Get me some sun out. Right now I can't really sight cast. I'm just out here trying to get used to this new setup, honestly. All right. My glasses keep fogging up out here. So I'm down here in Panama City Beach, Florida. I'm fishing in Grand Lagoon. It's right off of St. Andrews Bay. It's right across from the St. Andrews State Park, if you've ever been down this way. If you're into camping and stuff like that, guys, it's straight out that way. That's St. Andrews State Park. They just redid the campground. It's really beautiful. You should definitely check it out if you're down this way. Crap, if you're down this way and you're into fishing or fly fishing, hit me up, man. I do work a good bit, but my schedule now in the winter slows down a lot. But I still do try to fish about once a week, if not more. Just had a redfish swim by. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera. Like always, never really interested in what I'm got to offer out there. Self-taught on the fly fishing. I get aggravated watching videos on how to get better at fly fishing. I'd rather go out there and throw myself a couple of times and try to figure it out. But I haven't figured the correct stripping and stuff like that. I'll do some short ones, some long ones. Really just wanting to sight cast, but like I said, the sun's trying to break through from over there. Hopefully I don't fall in the water. That'd be fun. I am only in about 8 inches of water though. Line up and move on down closer to shore a little bit. Alrighty guys, and yeah, I'm fishing off of the Kaku Zulu kayak. They're out of Tarpon Springs, Florida. Give Kevin a shout down there, man. I couldn't be more happy with this kayak, man. They got great service over there. Shipped out in like less than a week. I'm in state, so it was here pretty quick, but man, this kayak is super stable. I'm a big dude, 6'5", 270. I have no problems paddling, standing. Yeah, if you're into kayaking, man, I would definitely start looking at these guys. They got a great price point on them. It's not gonna break the bank. And you can go as crazy as you want, man. It's just like any hobby. You can throw as much money or as little money as you want into it. Just depends on what you're into, man. All I've done to mine is add a paddle holder. I don't know. Have to meet up with some folks. I don't have any friends that kayak fish or anything like that yet. So feeling the more time I get out here on the water, you know, maybe I'll run into some folks. But yeah, this is it. It's how I plan on spending my day, well, at least the next couple of hours. So y'all have a good one. If I catch anything, I'll let you know.